Welcome to Lease Like a Pro in Kansas City with Alpine's expertise. Today, we're looking into how you can streamline your leasing process and maximize your property's potential with our expert guidance. Leasing can often be a complex and time-consuming task, but with the right strategies and support, it can be a smooth and profitable experience. Let's start with understanding the local market. Kansas City's rental market is diverse, with a variety of tenant demographics and preferences. Alpine Property Management stays ahead of the curve by continuously analyzing market trends and tenant behaviors. This knowledge allows us to set competitive rental prices that attract quality tenants while maximizing your income. By understanding what tenants are looking for, from amenities to neighborhood features, we ensure your properties are positioned to meet demand and stand out in the market. Next, let's talk about the importance of a thorough tenant screening process. At Alpine, we believe that the key to successful leasing is finding the right tenants. Our comprehensive screening process includes background checks, credit evaluations, and rental history verification. This rigorous process helps us select tenants who are reliable and likely to stay long-term, reducing turnover and vacancy rates. A well-vetted tenant not only ensures timely rent payments, but also takes better care of the property, enhancing its long-term value. Now, for those looking to buy or sell properties, Alpine's We Buy Houses program is an excellent opportunity. We buy houses across Kansas City, offering competitive prices and a hassle-free process. Whether you're looking to sell a property quickly or find a new investment opportunity, our program is designed to provide you with flexibility and peace of mind. We handle all aspects of the transaction, from evaluation to closing, ensuring you get a fair deal without the usual headaches. Returning to leasing, let's discuss lease agreements. A well-crafted lease is crucial for protecting your investment and minimizing disputes. At Alpine, we draft clear and comprehensive lease agreements that outline the responsibilities of both tenants and landlords. These agreements cover everything from rent payment schedules to maintenance responsibilities, ensuring all parties are on the same page. Our leases are designed to safeguard your interests while providing tenants with a clear understanding of their obligations. One key strategy is leveraging technology to streamline leasing operations. At Alpine, we use cutting-edge property management software that automates many aspects of the leasing process. This includes online tenant applications, digital lease signing, and automated rent collection. These tools not only make the process more efficient, but also provide a seamless experience for tenants, enhancing their satisfaction and reducing the likelihood of late payments or disputes. Another critical aspect is maintaining excellent tenant relationships. Alpine emphasizes the importance of regular communication and engagement with tenants. We conduct periodic surveys to gather feedback and address any concerns tenants may have. This proactive approach helps us identify potential issues early and take corrective actions promptly, fostering a positive tenant experience and increasing retention rates. We also focus on enhancing the appeal of your properties through strategic upgrades and renovations. Simple improvements such as fresh paint, updated fixtures, or modern appliances can significantly boost a property's attractiveness. Alpine's team provides expert recommendations on cost-effective upgrades that offer the best return on investment. These enhancements not only attract high-quality tenants, but also justify higher rental rates, increasing your overall revenue. In addition, Alpine offers comprehensive financial reporting and analysis services. We provide detailed monthly reports that cover all aspects of your property's financial performance, from income and expenses to cash flow and profitability. This transparency allows you to track your investment's performance closely and make informed decisions about future leasing and investment strategies. Our goal is to provide you with clear, actionable insights that help you optimize your property's financial health. Lastly, we believe in building long-term partnerships with our clients. Alpine Property Management doesn't just manage properties, we invest in your success. We provide ongoing support and consultation to help you navigate the complexities of property leasing and management. Whether you're looking to expand your portfolio or optimize your current properties, Alpine is here to provide the expertise and resources you need to achieve your goals. As we wrap up, remember that leasing like a pro in Kansas City involves a combination of strategic planning, advanced technology, tenant engagement, and expert management. With Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you have a dedicated partner committed to enhancing your leasing experience and maximizing your property's potential. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights and tips on property management and real estate investment. Ready to elevate your leasing strategy or take advantage of our services? Contact Alpine Property Management today. Let's work together to make your property the preferred choice for tenants in Kansas City, ensuring long-term success and profitability.